Indian butter chicken, also known as Murgh Makhani, is a delicious and creamy North Indian dish that's loved by people all over the world. Here's a classic recipe to make Indian butter chicken. Welcome to Oscar Island Style, your virtual gateway to a culinary paradise where the flavors of the tropics come to life in every dish. I'm your host, Oscar, and I'm here to take you on a mouth-watering journey through the vibrant and exotic world of island-inspired cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you've come to the right place to explore the tantalizing tastes and rich cultural heritage of island cuisine. From sizzling jerk chicken to refreshing coconut-infused cocktails, we've got it all covered. So, grab your apron, dust off your taste buds, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the sunny shores of the Caribbean, the Pacific, and beyond. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment on Oscar Island Style. Indian butter chicken, also known as Murgh Makhani, is a popular and delicious Indian dish. It features tender pieces of chicken cooked in a rich and creamy tomato-based sauce. Here's a basic recipe to make Indian butter chicken at home. The complete list of ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description. Ingredients: for marinating the chicken, 1.5 pounds, 700 g, boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. Half a cup plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, equal parts grated ginger and minced garlic. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to your spice preference. 1 teaspoon ground turmeric. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. Salt to taste. For the butter chicken sauce, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons butter. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1 teaspoon ground turmeric. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon paprika, for color, optional. 1 can, 14 us/400 g, tomato puree or crushed tomatoes. 1 cup heavy cream. 1/4 cup unsalted butter. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Salt to taste. Sugar, if needed, to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. Fresh cilantro leaves for garnish. Instructions: marinate the chicken. In a mixing bowl, combine the yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, ground cumin, ground coriander, and salt. Add the chicken pieces to the marinade and mix well. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or overnight for the best results. Cook the chicken. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Thread the marinated chicken pieces onto skewers or place them on a wire rack over a baking sheet. Bake in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and slightly charred. You can also grill the chicken for that authentic smoky flavor. Prepare the butter chicken sauce. In a large skillet or pan, heat the vegetable oil and butter over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they become translucent and start to brown. Add ginger garlic paste and spices. Stir in the ginger garlic paste and sauté for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Add ground cumin, ground coriander, ground turmeric, red chili powder, and paprika, for color. Cook for a couple of minutes. Add tomato puree. Pour in the tomato puree or crushed tomatoes and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce thickens and the oil starts to separate from it. Finish the sauce. Reduce the heat to low, and stir in the heavy cream and unsalted butter until well combined. Add garam masala and salt to taste. If the sauce is too tangy, you can add a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. Combine with chicken. Remove the cooked chicken from the skewers and add it to the sauce. Simmer for an additional 10 minutes, allowing the chicken to absorb the flavors of the sauce. Serve. Garnish with fresh cilantro leaves and serve your delicious butter chicken with naan, rice, or roti. Enjoy your homemade Indian butter chicken. That's a wrap for today's island-inspired culinary journey, my fellow flavor enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this taste of paradise and are now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to bring a bit of island magic to your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of island cooking lies not only in the ingredients but also in the spirit of sharing and celebration. So, if you whipped up one of our recipes, share it with #OscarIslandStyle on social media, and let's create a virtual feast together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delectable island delights, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest gastronomic adventures. Until next time, may your dishes be flavorful, your spirits be high, and your hearts be as warm as a tropical sunset. Farewell, my friends, and keep the island vibes alive. Oscar Island Style.